See you guys at the airport. Checked in, going to the gate. I'm headed to London, England. So I'll check in with you guys when I get there. Bye. I'm in London, the central city of London. And yeah, I'm touring with my cousin.
No,
You want to give a little history? Would be great.
I don't know nothing about this place.
Well, just state where we are. This is my cousin Fiona. We are browsing.
We're in Covent Garden. Yay!
True. There is a Huda Beauty somewhere.
It says coming. It's not here
Oh,
yet.
it's not here.
Loading, sorry. There's a Mac store here.
So we're looking for Mac.
It's in there somewhere.
Hey guys, so I have been MIA for a few days. The last clip you saw was myself and my cousin touring Covent Gardens in central London. So I'm actually at home, relaxing, trying to adjust to the whole time zone. I kind of injured my thumb, but yeah, I am contemplating whether to do Vlogmas or not. I'm still between two minds. But we'll see. Morning everyone, happy today's Wednesday, and we are going to
Excel London,
yes,
famous exhibition center.
yes,
They have an expo, and we're going for research and development.
Yes. So we're out in these streets. The weather's nice. It's manageable, but it's nice.
It's bearable.
Bearable. Yes.
Pleasant.
That's why your girl have her, coat open until I get cold.
She's courting pneumonia.
So we will check in on the way. We're headed to the train station. So I'll check in later.
It's in here.
Okay.
16 to 25. 20, no, 23.
So we're at Excel London, going to our event. I don't know when we're gonna get there, but Miss Portfolio with her fur.
We'll be there in about 4 conference rooms.
And usually when they say 4 conference room, it's not like a minute walk.
No, it's far.
It's far. But they got more than one thing going on.
Yeah.
Huh.
This is Holmes, UK.
So we're here, we're checked in. Alright, so
CEO and CTO.
we're entrepreneurs. We made it back to where are we? Sadok. So we're gonna rest and then we have dinner tonight with some family. So I'll check in. She took the lift. A minute, less than a minute, she took the lift. Okay. We are headed to dinner. Fancy.
You are at Cotton's, darling. Cotton's, renowned West Indian cuisine, darling. West Indian cuisine. The cuisine, darling. On the river. Oh, You are on the river at St. Joseph's Wharf.
Yeah, which river is this?
Thames. Thames. It's all Thames.
Look at that. You guys are getting all this content.
Oh, where is St. Catherine's one? My master friend telling me today. St. Catherine's.
This is so gorgeous. Building. So we just have a terrace school.
Is that the place we passed on the boat? Remember we've been on the boat? Oh, what?
Is it in 4K? So bougie. Look at her. Food is here. Jerk chicken with cassava.
I'm gonna need dinner.
So we are
This way.
done with
You like the new loud?
dinner.
It's beautiful.